How to fix lag in Need for Speed. If Need for Speed is lagging on your phone, let's fix that and get you racing smoothly in just a few seconds. Let's open our Need for Speed application. Now you have to swipe up and close all the running application in the background. It frees up RAM, boosts your game speed. A quick reboot clears out glitches and restart your system for smooth performance. You have to connect to fast and stable Wi-Fi. Weak or unstable network can cause serious lag during races. Either you have to go to Settings and then General. Then you have to select iPhone storage and make sure that the iPhone storage is free up to 2 GB space. Either it will low storage, slows everything down. In the graphics setting, switch graphic to low for the better speed and less frame drop. And that's how you fix lag in Need for Speed on your phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.